Hello, welcome to Adroit ERP software. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to use the hospital management system and how you can use it to manage your clients in the hospital. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like. This is the graphical user interface, and in this system, on my left side, we have the financial resource management. That is, it handles the financial aspect of the software or your business. That's the accounting aspect. It handles the account of your business, where you can have the trial balance, your balance sheet, your profit and loss. This handles that accounting aspect. We have the operations. Operations also deals with adding of patients, checking of patients, consultation. We have the customer relation management. We also have the payroll. The payroll handles or generate pay slip for your employees, how to add your employees, employee levels, department, their basic pay and the rest, their allowance and other bonuses too. We also have the bill of material. You have the bill of material that is used to handle when you are into manufacturing. But I'll be taking you through a few of them. So let's go to the operations. How we can add a new patient into the system. If a patient comes into the hospital, how you add a new patient. So click on add. Then so let's try add a new patient. So let's add Percy. The last name. So after you are done, we have other details here where you can fill to. We have other details, but for now let's add this. You click on add new to add it. So we have added a new patient, that is Percy. So we click on refresh. So as we click, it will generate or the new patient will be added to the system. So after a patient has been added, we have to check in that patient. So we go to check in, then we click on new check-in. So new check-in, you see we have Percy, the new patient that we just added. So if you have any note, you can add a note here, or if you don't have any note, you just click on save. So we have saved. So that patient has been checked in. So once we have checked in that patient, it goes into the consultation room. So a doctor will be able to see which patient is on the queue to be looked after. So as you see, we have Percy. So click on Percy, then click on consult now. So another dialog box will come where you have the vitals, the complaints and other details, the diagnosis, general examination and other stuff. So here you add their height. All this field has to be input. This is just an example. So you calculate the VA. So after you're done, you click on save. It will save into the system. This is the complaint. If you have any complaint, the doctor will write everything over here. You can key in everything that you want to write over here. After that, you click on save. You have the past medical history of that client or that patient. You have the general examination remark. You can add those remarks. Then let's go to diagnosis. So these are the various disease that has been input into the system that you can select. So once you add any description, you can click on the disease, it will be added. Once you click, it will be added. Once you click, it will be added to it. Then you click add. Once you add it to it, you can add multiple disease over here and to add it to the system. So after that, you click on save. You can as well remove it. If you have any mistake, you can remove it, but once you are satisfied with it, you click on save successfully. Then you come to investigation, where you can choose any item you want to do any investigation. You add it to it. You can remove it as well. If you have any remark, you just add it to it, a small note to it. Then click on save, it will be saved. So this is the patient. So you come to treatment 2. You have other details here that under the combo box here you can select. Then you can add all this to it. Then if you have any note, you add it. Then click on save, be saved into the system. You have the next appointment. You can set the next appointment for that patient also. So after you are done, you click on end consultation on the top here. Click on end consultation to end that patient consultation. Okay, so you click on yes. So we are done with this patient. So you can come in here. So after you are done with it, you see Percy has been checked out. Since you are done with his consultation, it will automatically be checked out from the system. So let's come to the accounting aspect. Okay, we have inventory. If the hospital have some inventories that they buy, they can add those inventory over here. Go to new, add this inventory over here. Maybe some of the inventory that the hospital has. They have supplies, those who supply equipment to the hospital. So let's come to the profit and loss. This is the profit and loss. Let's see how this is our profit and loss table. You don't have any data in, but this is how the profit and loss looks like. This is the trial balance. So once you have any expenses or any revenue that you have already queued, you have it over here. So let's see our double entry. This is our double entry. This is our double entry for your expenses and other accounts that you want to enter. Okay, so this is the general, this is the account. This is the account table. You can create any account over here as well. So let's see the payroll. This is the payroll. Let's select, you can select a period, any period that you want to select that generates a payroll for your employees in the hospital. This is how the payroll looks like. This is how the payroll looks like. Okay. So you can add a new employee. This is the detail. Add a new employee, the details, everything over here. Okay, then you click add new. So one advantage of this, of using this software, is we can customize it to your preference. However you want us to, the things you want us to add and remove, we can do everything for you. That's a customized system. You can do a customized system for your organization. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be useful.